Hey, what's up guys, we are back with a new video. So in this video I will tell about how to check your status of your waiting list of Nothing Phone 1 pre-order. So let's get into the Chrome browser and search for Nothing on Google. When you search, the first website will be official website of the Nothing. Then you have to click over there. Then you need to log in. If you are logged in already, that's it. You can skip this step and you have to click on continue with Google. When you get logged in, you need to click on the account section and click on waiting list. It will take some time to get the data. So as you can see here, your place in the waiting list is 14,628. That's I think 14,628 of 93,816. So currently I haven't invited any friends, but this account is my second account. On my first account I'm at like 25 or 23 number in the waiting list. So guys, please help me reaching like 1. I will make a separate video on that if I reach that 1. So guys, please help me with that. So I will provide my referral link in the description below. Please visit that and do consider sign up with that link only. So that will be so helpful from you, and I will get Nothing Phone 1 on my hand. I will make a separate video for that how is the phone, how it feels like in the hand. So help me reaching at the first position on the Nothing waiting list. So if you help with that, so that will be very thankful from you. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing this channel and comment down below any questions you have in your mind. So see you in the next video. Till then, tata, bye bye.
This the new wave, turn it up. I'm in the backseat chilling with your girl, what's up? She wanna talk all day, but I'm not in the mood. I'm trying to dance all night, I got something to do. I make hits for the people at home.